Good afternoon. Welcome to Hiraoka. Can I help you with something? Customer, yes. Yes, please. I'm looking for a laptop for my studies. Of course, we have um, several models. What kind of laptop do you need? For basic tasks or for design and heavy programs? Cosmoter Gerson, mainly for studying and doing university work, but I'd like it to be fast too. In that case, I recommend this HP laptop with an Intel Core i5 processor, 8 GB of RAM and 512 GB SSD storage. It's very fast and light. Cosmoter Gerson. Sounds good. How much is it? Is two thousand 800 solis, but this week we offer a 10% discount. Uh, Cosmoter Gerson, perfect. Does it come with a warranty? Mm, yes, it has 1 year of warranty and free technical service for the first 6 months. Cosmoter Gerson, excellent. And what colors do you have available? We first have silver, black, and dark blue. Cosmoter Jason, I like the blue one. Does it include the charger and the case? It includes the charger, but the case is sold separately. We have one of promotions from 50 solis. Cosmoter, yes, all right, I'll take the case too.